Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to explore Web3 or store your Solana based assets securely on mobile? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use the Phantom wallet mobile app step by step in 2025, perfect for beginners. First of all, go to App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Phantom wallet. Make sure it's the official app by Phantom Technologies. Once installed, open the app and tap Create New Account or Create New Wallet, or I already have a wallet if you are restoring. So once installed, click Open. Now click I agree to the terms of service, then click I already have a wallet for this tutorial, then continue with email, then I will choose my Google account. Then enter your password. Next, you will see your secret recovery phrase if you are new. Then click next. Then click get started. For not now, you are now inside Phantom. The home screen shows your Sol balance, recent activity, and options to send or receive. Tap Receive to view your wallet address or scan your QR code. Tap Send. Tap Send to transfer tokens or NFTs to another wallet address. Tap Receive to view your wallet address or scan QR code. To add custom tokens, tap the plus icon from your dashboard. You can search or paste a token address from trusted sources like CoinGecko. Phantom also automatically detects NFTs. When you receive one, it will show up under the NFTs tab. Phantom lets you connect with decentralized apps like Magic Eden, Jupiter, or Solana. Open the browser and go to a dApp in Safari or Chrome. Phantom will prompt you to connect. Search for dApp. Like Magic Eden. Here it is. Approve the connection and you can buy NFTs, stack Sol, or swap tokens directly from the app. Now enable Face ID or fingerprint in settings. Go to Phantom Wallet again. Click your account and click setting gear icon. Then click security and privacy and follow the process like show recovery phrase, then two-factor authentication, etc. Never enter your seed phrase on any unknown site. Back up your wallet in multiple safe places, and that's it. That's your complete beginner's guide to Phantom Wallet Mobile in 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.